Hello dear students, welcome to Chemistry Fundamentals. I'm Dr. Rajiv Roy. Now dealing with the benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride, in short called SBHC. This is one of the very important used insecticide. So let us first deal with the preparation and rest of the detail then. So what happens? How benzene hexachloride can be prepared? To remember कि benzene when made to react with chlorine, you are aware that normally benzene undergoes substitution reaction. H get replaced by some other group. The addition reaction in benzene are very less, but then there are. So two very important reaction of addition in benzene you have done in 11th. One is addition of hydrogen and this one addition of chlorine. So benzene when made to react with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiation, remember in presence of sunlight there will be no reaction. So benzene when made to react with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiation at 500 Kelvin temperature, it will undergo addition of chlorine. These double bond decompose and these chlorine add one chlorine each to each carbon atom. So benzene when made to react with chlorine in presence of UV radiation at 500 Kelvin, it undergo addition resulting in formation of chloro at position number 1, chloro at position number 2, at number 3, at number 4, at number 5, at number 6, resulting in formation of, so if it would have been CH2, 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 so this compound would have been cyclohexane. If all would have been hydrogen, it would have been cyclohexane. This would have been cyclohexane, but it is having chloro, one at position 1, another at position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, position 6. Therefore, it is a chloro substituted cyclohexane. It is chloro substituted cyclohexane. So having chloro at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position. So it is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachloro cyclohexane. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachloro cyclohexane means this compound is a derivative of cyclohexane. It is a derivative of cyclohexane. So the basic compound is benzene. The principal compound is benzene to which 6-chloro is been attached. The basic compound, principal compound is benzene to which 6-chloro is been attached. Therefore, it is called as benzene hexachloride. This is called as benzene hexachloride. Benzene having 6-chloro, so this is benzene hexachloride BHC, whose IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachloro cyclohexane. So this compound is known by various names. So it is known by, this is hexachlorocyclohexane is one name. It is also termed as benzene hexachloride BHC. This compound is also termed as lindane. This compound is also termed as gamexene. Remember, in fact, the gamma isomer, I will discuss the gamma isomer of this compound. There are various stereo isomer possible for this molecule. So the gamma isomer is termed as gamexene or lindane. The gamma isomer of this molecule, what is meant by gamma isomer, I will discuss right now. So the gamma isomer of this molecule is termed as gamexene or lindane. Now because of its formula, it is C6S6Cl6. It was C6S6 and 6Cl attached. So the final compound is C6S6Cl6. So it is 666, also termed as 666. So lindane is another name, gamexene is another name, 666 is another name of this benzene hexachloride, that is hexachlorocyclohexane. Now, as I told you that this compound is a derivative of cyclohexane. So how we express cyclohexane? So cyclohexane is CH2, 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 CH2. This is cyclohexane, which is represented by making a hexagon. So cyclohexane, which is represented by hexagon. Now each of this carbon have CH2, 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 CH2. This is cyclohexane. if one H from each carbon is replaced by one chloro. If one H is replaced by one chloro, there are two hydrogen on each carbon. If one hydrogen from each carbon is replaced by chloro, it results in formation of this compound, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. So this is cyclohexane and this is the derivative of cyclohexane. Now, as you have done in class 11, that cyclohexane is a non-planar molecule. Cyclohexane is a non-planar molecule. We have done the conformation of cyclohexane in 11. Cyclohexane exists in two conforms. Cyclohexane exists in two conforms. One is the chair form. Out of 6 carbon, 4 in the plane, 1 above the plane, other below the plane. Out of 6 carbon, 4 are in the plane, 1 above the plane, other below the plane. It is called S chair form. And then next one is now one on the one side, other on the other side. That is 2 carbon are non-planar, 4 are planar, but 2 non-planar are oppositely placed. Now if 2 non-planar are placed on the same side, either on the upper or on the lower, then it is termed as boat form. So it is 4 carbon in the plane, 1 above the plane, other below the plane. That is opposite side of the plane, chair form. 4 in the plane, 2 are non-planar but are on the same side, termed as boat form. So these are the two conform of cyclohexane. Since hexachlorocyclohexane is derivative of this cyclohexane, therefore it exhibit property as same. The hexachlorocyclohexane exhibit property that of the cyclohexane, that is exhibit the structure somewhat like this, the chair and the boat form. Now dealing with the two very important fundamentals, you have done a theory called as Huckel rule. Huckel rule for aromaticity. So what Huckel says, that any molecule that is cyclic and contains 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Any molecule which is cyclic and contains 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where value of n can be 0, value of n could be 1, value of n can be 2, and so on. So if value of n is 1, 4, if value of n is 0, 4 into 0 plus 2, 2 pi electron. If value of n is 1, 4 into 1 plus 2, 6 pi electron. If value of n is 2, 4 into 2 plus 2, that is 10 pi electron. So any molecule which is cyclic and contains 2 pi electron, 6 pi electron, 10 pi electron are termed as aromatic according to Huckel. So any molecule which is cyclic and contain 2 pi electrons, 6 pi electrons, 10 pi electrons and so on would be termed as aromatic. This is one piece of information. One more very important with respect to the hybridization of carbon atom. Now how we decide the hybridization of carbon? So it is on the basis of sigma and pi bond. So if carbon has formed 4 sigma 0 pi, if carbon has formed 4 sigma 0 pi, then carbon would be termed as sp3 hybridized. If it has formed 3 sigma 1 pi, it would be termed as sp2 hybridized. If it has formed 2 sigma 2 pi, then it would be termed as sp hybridized. Now let us apply these two pieces of information to cyclohexane, that is BHC. We are applying these two pieces of information to benzene hexachloride BHC. Let's apply. So the principal compound is benzene. The principal compound is benzene, in which there are 1 pi bond, 2 pi bond, 3 pi bond. 3 pi bond, each bond is made up of 2 electrons, therefore there are 6 pi electrons. 1 pi bond, 2 pi bond, third pi bond means there are 3 pi electron pair, means there are 6 pi electrons. So since it is having 6 pi electron, therefore benzene is aromatic. Now each carbon has formed 4 bond, of which 3 are sigma, 1 is pi. This is sigma bond, this is sigma bond, this is sigma bond, but 1 bond is pi. Sigma, 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 but 1 bond is pi. This bond is a pi bond. So carbon has formed 4 bond, of which 3 are sigma, 1, 2, 3 are sigma, 1 is pi, 3 sigma, 1 pi, therefore carbon is sp2 hybridized. So in case of benzene, the principal molecule, the molecule is aromatic, the carbon is sp2 hybridized, And as we know, in case of benzene, the structure is planar. All the 6 carbon are in the same plane. So it is a planar molecule. So benzene molecule is aromatic, carbon is sp2 hybridized, and it is planar, the principal molecule from which this molecule is prepared. Now when benzene is made to react with chlorine in presence of UV radiation, it gets converted into benzene hexachloride. Now in this compound there is no pi bond, means not obeying Huckel rule. So it is cyclic but not obeying Huckel rule. Therefore it is termed as aliphatic cyclic or alicyclic. It is termed as aliphatic cyclic or alicyclic compound. It's an alicyclic compound. Now each carbon atom has formed. So each carbon atom has formed 4 bond, all are sigma. In case of benzene hexachloride, carbon has formed 4 sigma bond. Each carbon has formed 4 bond, all are sigma. Therefore carbon is sp3 hybridized, and molecule of benzene hexachloride, I told you it is a non-planar because it is a derivative of cyclohexane, which exists in 2 conform, which is boat and chair form. Therefore, like its principal molecule cyclohexane, benzene hexachloride, that is hexachlorocyclohexane, is also non-planar. So it was aromatic, converts into alicyclic. Carbon was sp2 hybridized, converts into sp3 hybridized. Molecule was planar, and now it turns into non-planar structure. Now let us deal with the stereoisomer of BHC. The stereoisomer, to remember, BHC exists in 8 isomeric form, of which the important one I am discussing. The first one is called as the alpha isomer. In this alpha isomer, out of 6 chlorine, 3 are present as wedge and 3 are present as the dash. That is 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. This is the wedge and dash diagram. In this case, remember this, out of 6 chlorine, 3 chlorine are present on wedge, 3 are present on dash. So remember this is one structure of alpha isomer of BHC. The another possibility is like this: 3 on one side, 3 on the other, 3 chloro on one side, 3 chloro on the other. This is one arrangement possible. This is the next arrangement possible: 3 Cl on one side, 3 on the other, 3 Cl on one side of the plane, 3 below the plane. So 3 on one side, 3 on the other. But since these molecules are mirror image of one another, this is called as the D form of alpha isomer. This is called as the L form of alpha isomer. So this is alpha isomer of benzene hexachloride. This is the D form, dextrorotatory. This is levorotatory. Now the 3 Cl of the plane, one side of the plane, 3 other side of the plane. This is the next arrangement. So this is alternating. This is Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 3 are these, they are present alternately. The 3 Cl which are present upside of the plane, and those which are present below the plane, they are alternatively present. One, this is on the upside, then below, then upside, below, and so on. So this is called as the beta isomer. This molecule is called as the beta isomer. But we are concerned with the most important gamma isomer. I told you that gamma isomer of benzene hexachloride is called as Linden or gamexene, in which the out of 6 Cl, out of 6 Cl, 4 are present on one side, 2 on the other.